Yo, if y'all know this song, sing along with me. Please forgive me for messing up the blessing He gave to me. I see everything clearer now. The night is black as it's ever been. Without my girl, losing. And I pray that He just shine His grace on me. I need just to be back with my it feels like I'm on my different way. You know something funny? When you don't know the words to the song, don't you always go? That's the funny shit right there. Cause everybody do it. Everybody do it. Yo, if you do that, give me a comment down there. Comment right here in that box right there. Cause everybody do it. Straight out of heaven, there's none to be. She'll come back and she'll free me. And the best thing I can do is to let her go. I know, until now. But if I continue to push you away, and I know that in my heart it's a reality. I didn't treat her like she wanted to be treated. And I hope that she knows this song is for all my angels out there. It's all y'all angels. Y'all deserve a God. A God. And we take our place in heaven. You heard? For real. That's real talk right there. That's real talk right there. One love. Peace out.